Your landlord is counting on you not knowing your rights. After this video, that changes. That is a simple, hard fact. They are running a business. For many, that business model relies on your silence and uncertainty. Every dollar you overpay in illegal fees, every unsafe condition you tolerate, every deposit deduction you accept without question. It all adds to their bottom line. But that financial equation is about to change. After you learn this, you will no longer be an easy target. You will be an informed tenant. You will have the tools, the knowledge, the exact steps to protect your home and money. You do not have to accept a leaking roof, a surprise rent hike, a stolen security deposit. These are violations of your rights. This is not a legal textbook to intimidate you. This is a practical, step-by-step guide for every renter. We will break down 9 fundamental rights you get when you sign a lease. For each right, what it means in the real world, and exactly what to do, what to write, who to call, what evidence to keep. The power dynamic can feel unbalanced. This guide helps restore that balance, with documentation as your most important tool. You have the absolute right to a safe and livable home. The implied warranty of habitability. It is non-negotiable in your rental agreement. It means a home fit for a human being. Reliable heat, especially in cold climates. Access to hot and cold running water. Working plumbing without backups. Electrical systems that are not fire hazards. No gaping holes or collapsing floors. No severe pest infestations. Step 1. Notify your landlord in writing. Be direct. What, where, and when you noticed it. Use one sentence that creates a dated record. Step 2. Gather clear photo and video evidence. Save files in a dedicated folder with dates. Step 3. Allow a reasonable time, 24 to 48 hours for emergencies, up to 14-30 days for minor issues. Step 4. Keep a log of every communication. Step 5. If ignored, call code enforcement for an inspection and an official violation notice. That report is powerful evidence. In many states, rent withholding or repair and deduct may apply, only after confirming local law. Consult a tenant group or legal aid first to avoid eviction risk. Your landlord cannot raise your rent tomorrow. Most places require 30-90 days of written notice. Fixed-term leases usually lock rent until term ends. Check your lease, then verify on a government or legal aid site. If the notice period is short or not in writing, it is invalid. Respond in writing. Cite the date received and the legal notice period. Ask for a compliant notice. That forces a restart, often saving you at least a month at current rent and hundreds of dollars. Your deposit is your money, not a landlord upgrade fund. Normal wear, minor scuffs, faded paint, light carpet wear. Chargeable damage, holes, large stains, misuse, broken appliances. On move-in, document everything and keep the checklist copy. On move-out, return unit clean, patch nail holes, replace bulbs. Take dated after photos and compare to move-in. Most states, refund or itemized deductions due within 14-60 days. Demand receipts for any deduction you dispute. If charged for wear and tear or no proof, send a demand letter. Small claims next. Your home is your private space. Most states require 24-48 hours written notice to enter. Entry must be for a legitimate reason, not to snoop. Say, I wasn't given 24 hours notice. Please schedule in writing. Emergencies like fire, flood are exceptions. Follow up in writing that today's unannounced visit violated your right to privacy. For repeated issues, keep a log, send a cease and desist with a tenant group, and call police if unsafe. Used for serious habitability failures when ignored. Broken heat, no hot water, major leaks. Procedure: multiple written notices, reasonable time to cure, final warning where required. Confirm your state's limits, eligible issues, cost caps, frequency per year, notice language. Get 2 or 3 licensed estimates to show reasonableness. Hire, pay, and obtain a detailed itemized invoice as your key evidence. Pay reduced rent with a letter citing state law, dates, and attaching notices and invoice. Example: 1/500 rent minus 450 repair equals 1,050 due. Meticulous records protect you from non-payment claims. Always get local guidance before deducting. Procedures matter. You have the right to housing without discrimination. The Fair Housing Act bans bias by race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, and disability. Many places also protect marital status, sexual orientation, gender identity, age, and source of income. Applications must be treated the same whether pay stub or voucher. Document everything. Use testing with a friend if availability seems to change after they learn who you are. File a complaint with HUD or your local fair housing agency. Investigations are free. You have the right to organize. Retaliation is illegal. Start privately. Compare issues and set a clear, shared goal. Submit a signed group letter with a reasonable deadline. If retaliation appears, document it and contact a tenant union or legal aid immediately. Fees must be disclosed and reasonable. Hidden or vague charges are often unenforceable. Ask the landlord to cite the exact lease clause and legal cap. Many places cap late fees, commonly around 5% of rent. Pay rent, exclude the disputed fee, and explain in writing. Keep copies. If they take it from your deposit, you can sue in small claims. Small claims is built for renters. Here's how to file and win. Step 1. Find your court's small claims forms and monetary limits online. Step 2. Complete the claim with names, address for service, amount, and a concise timeline. Step 3. File and pay a small fee, often $30 to $100. Fee waivers may exist. Step 4. Serve the landlord properly. Sheriff, process server, or certified mail as your court allows. Step 5. Prepare exhibits, lease clauses, notices, photos, logs, receipts, laws printed from official sites. Most landlords settle after you file because your evidence is strong and public. If you proceed, be calm, factual, and organized. Judges reward clear documentation. Record everything. Use your rights. Ask for help early. If this helped you fight back, subscribe for more tenant power guides and share this with a neighbor.